How to make my sourdough pizza crust. For these ingredients, you're going to need water, yeast, sourdough starter, a neutral oil like avocado, vegetable, grapeseed, etc., sugar, salt, and bread flour. Activate the yeast. In a large bowl, whisk warm water and yeast. Set aside 5 minutes, allowing yeast to dissolve. Whisk in remaining ingredients: sourdough starter, oil, sugar, salt, and flour. Good dough texture. Time to rest. Cover the entire bowl and mixer for 20 minutes. Our 20-minute resting time is up. Resume kneading for another 5 minutes. Add flour if necessary. The dough is climbing the dough hook and pulling away from the bowl. No more flour needed. Cover the bowl and let the dough rise in a warm area until doubled in size, which is about 1.5 to 2 hours. An hour and a half later, deflate the dough. Prepare baking pans. I'm using a large, high-side 18 by 13 inch cookie sheet lined with parchment paper. 2 12 to 14 inch round pans work too. Add oil to your hands and pat out the dough to the pan edges. If dough is retracting, allow it to rest a few minutes before patting it all the way out to the edges. Our favorite toppings include homemade tomato-based pizza sauce topped with caramelized onions mixed with roasted garlic, sauteed mushrooms, and sauteed fresh spinach, finely grated pecorino, thin strips of provolone, thick grated or chunks of fresh mozzarella cheeses, along with salt, pepper, dried Italian seasoning, over the top and drizzled with olive oil. Dough has rested. Finish patting it out and add the toppings. cover and allow a short rise, 30 to 45 minutes. Rise time over. Bake 12 to 16 minutes until the bottom is golden brown. Pizza is done. Woohoo! Enjoy!